Hello, my name is Eric and I want to talk about of the person that is important for me. One of the most important people for me is my mother, since she also plays the role of father, and I value her very much for that. She helped my brother and my when we were children and I never missed a plate of food on the table. Thanks to her I am studying at the university. That is why I love her very much. Talk about the most special and important moment to my life. The most special moment in my life was joining the federation as a swimming teacher. It was very important for me to be institution since it is related to my career as a physical education teacher. It was a great experience since I worked with all types of areas and I learned how to teach the technical thanks to the instructor who indicate certain points that I had to take into account when teaching to have that the company give me was also of great importance since they allowed me to study and work. Of course, it was very difficult, but not just any job gave that facility. That is why it was one of the most special moments for me.